Starting lineup for Creamline, Panay.
This is still the same lineup with Rose Aquino.
Advantage. 5-setter last time around. First pass received by Eliza. Tony Carlos foiled. Recycled opens. The drop. It's alive. Pancake successful. Eliza gets to it again. Gia reverses. And the corner.
Cross-court shot, Bernadette Pons.
Of course, Bernadette Pons.
Bakal. Noiting.
It's actually nice.
Oh, well, in the meantime, Signal is all business here in the first set. The early going. Down the middle we go. It's neutralized by the floor. Erica denied.
That was a good block. It was a high set
Lead on the block.
an improvement talaga for Panaga because so far she's in number 3 top blockers for this conference.
As Santos finds the open ng laro niya. Cool lang yan. Down the middle we go and both sides burning the open spaces in the back row. Eskwelahan.
Pare-pareho ng shirt.
Yes, mga parang inassign pumunta sa laro. In the meantime, Pons too far away. The lead is 3.
At the start of this set pa lang, we saw earlier the numbers of the unforced errors from both squads, but Creamline already had
Faces of players. The intensity and the weight of this game. Valdez keeps it alive. It's tossed over. Look out, but you play on. And Creamline unable to return the foray of Santos. May uniform nila. Directing mo mamaya, ipan mo. Kita mo para sila grade 1, row 1. Row 1 talaga eh. No? Oh! Eliza unable to hoist it up.
so lumalaki.
Kasi mainit ang ulo nun eh. Gusto makabawi agad.
Bawi
nun.
agad.
Elevated. Valdez gets that to work.
Much needed point here for Creamline. Kanina 5 points ang lamang ng Signal, but this time 4 points ang kailangan nilang habulin.
Isa papasok sa semis. Tapos dadating ang Holy Week. Lahat. May mga training yan pero mas masarap humiga pa rin.
Oo, lalo na pag
Holy Week.
that's your only rest.
Yung Pasko, Holy 22. Not unless you play in the US. Then hindi naman Holy Week. Bea got that.
So this time, okay na yung mga setups ni...
And we find Signal at set point at 24-20. Carlos blasts away. Bayuna. Nierva says, I got it. Carlos recycles and gets that to work.
So, the attack of...
Let's see.
And there you have it.
Yeah.
Erica Santos getting the first set win for...
Get us going there. It travels across the net slowly. Ang lalim tumira ni Santos. Ano? Talaga yung dulo. And that hits the iron. No, she's a tall woman. Tapos, alam mo, nagwe-weights itong yan. Kita mo, laki ng development ng shoulders. Eh, oh. Santos, the long ball hitter. And look at that burn. Iba yun. Gandler down on the floor but keeping it in play. Rejected. Chance. Hindi mamamatay ang kay Macandili. But look at this! Fair! Enjoying the moment. Parang sinasabi niya, andyan ka na? Ay, ganito gagawin ko. Free ball given up here. Chance. Inside. And look at this. Signal stringing points together to get at the 8-point.
Kanya, yung mga off-the-block hits.
Kung ikaw nagbablock, maiinis ka. Parang sinasabi ni Erika, oh, ganito gagawin natin, ha? Ready ka? Ganito gagawin natin. Samantala, Creamline. Parang nagsha-shadow yung isa sa isa. Kayuna. You are incredible, Miss Santos.
It's a bit late during that last sequence, and she targeted cross-court.
Absolutely. Good read. Gander has her hands on the ball. Valdez says, let's shoot. It's Encarnacion picking it up from the rear. De Guzman reads that cleanly. Here comes Valdez.
Again, Valdez targeting down the line.
Hirap kuminsan sundan kasi nag-alternate yung dalawang to. Ito naman, Gandler. Got it to go. Ayan, tabla na naman.
Quick side out.
Eagle out of that hole ang koponan ng Signal. Santos a serve in play. Valdez.
Wow! Don Katindig with the save.
Hindi ako nagugulat na ngayon. Pag siya, parang normal na, no? Ito. Oh! Kung walang tao ron, tatabulin niya yun. Already for Signal. Here comes Carlos. Katindig. Giselle C. Gandler. Valdez keeps it in play.
Wow!
Oh! Combination!
That was a good set play for...
Setup job. Still alive. Jan alive. Left in the air. Pons. Santos. Kayuna. Drop. And they chase it. Pons shoots. Block. De Guzman. Pons. Because you will play another game. The loser will still get to play another game. You have to remember, these are two teams that finish at the upper half of the team standings. So may isa pang game. Yung ibang teams na naglaro sa play-in, mga natalo. Valdez uncorks and scores.
Off the point, Alyssa Valdez.
Now you could see Creamline having quick side outs, not allowing Signal to have a mini run. Bumped a defense, but medyo naiba yung direction, kaya she went for that pancake.
Dumped by Kayuna on two. Carlos on corks. Katindig checks the floor. Gandler makes it a strike. Elevated by Nierma. Katindig. Valdez wants it back. Let's try something else. Laulang Isip unable to contain it. Umangat. They can go, flow smoothly. Good combination play. Gandler delivering on the tap. Reported and said we need to transition also more smoothly to our offense. Here comes that chance. Lalong basang-basa, no?
Yes, and diniin pa talaga Rodriguez.
Alam mo to si Pans Managa, minsan di-drift, hindi mo nararamdaman, biglang i-score. Dalawa, tatlo. To Guzman, the other end. Gandler. Lalong isip. It is a touch ball, and that'll be the 16th point. But here we go. Acuna. Pons. Neutralized. Gandler. Denied. And we are at set point.
Pons was the one who got that kill block.
24. 18. Santos. Gandler keeps it very much in flight. Carlos. Carlos got the deep corner. And we are done. Nakalusot. In the meantime, back to the action. Chamzon hits first for Signal. Valdez. The push. Nerva. Valdez.
Alyssa Valdez off the ball.
All she needed was a little tapos pahirapan mo pa yung spiker mo. Ito mo na. Gumabaw. Yes, that'll work for Jackie Acuna.
And they need that.
Cayuna with 9. That's huge for a setter. Wow.
Well, Creamline did the same thing with Negrito, waiting for the approach of Pangs Panaga. Kaya mukhang sa kanya isa-set yung bola. You saw the 2 blockers sumabay sa approach ni Pangs, leaving only Bernadette Pons with no.
And we like the fact that you're watching. Thank you very much. Talayon.
There you go. At this later stretch of this set, Gia already activating Bea De Leon. Unstoppable so far. Hindi makahabol yung mga blockers ng signal. So,
Habol.
oh, this is a tight one.
Broken play to. Pero ginawa ng paraan ni Gandler.
But sayang because pag nakita mo na yung mga ganun na pwesto ng mga attackers na hindi na nila papaluin, usually hindi na yun binablock dahil doon pa nakakakuha ng puntos.
Block. Gandler. Sharp. Contained. Santos with a hand on it. Pushed over by Tiamzon. Tiamzon out of position.
Free ball, automatic, quick hit for
Point
Cream.
game. Gandler on the receiving end. Tiamzon. Carlos. De Guzman. Pons. Tiamzon. Katindig says get out of the way. Carlos. Katindig repelled but in play. Tiamzon. And Signal will stretches to the max.
Well, during
Competitive 5 set. May mga 5 sets na parang natutulog eh. Di ba?
Yung ang bilis,
mabagal
yes.
or mabagal. Boy, this woman is doing a little of everything. And she even sends it into the air. Gandler. Dito ayaw mo pa bagsakin yung bola. And Santos makes them pay. 4-0 lead. Tiamzon. Bawi-bawi.
there you go, because they had a good first ball and yung mga quick hits na yan was proven to be effective for Creamline during the previous set.
Anyway, it's 4-1. Gandler, got it.
Inside, down the line, finding.
You go back to Tots if you're Gia. No, she mixes it up. Out of reach. Because Pons has been prolific in this. Welcome to Tension Theater.
That was a short pass.
Oh, that's in. I think Tiamzon got it.
Yes, it was.
He hits it. And that's split-second decision-making, you know?
And also for the adjustments of the blockers.
Yeah. Valdez is here. Inside. Santos takes care of business there with 26 points. 13-12.
And there you go. Good first ball.
Sino ang kekembot sa dulo? Tingnan natin. Negrito. Gumabaw.
Good set on the reverse from Negrito. It was a low and fast set for Michelle Gumabaw and only one blocker in front of her.
Alam mo, Michelle Gumabaw. To Valdez. Will fire. And it goes through. We are tied again. Attack mode. Valdez. It is out. And that'll do it. Signal will be in the semifinals of the All-Filipino Conference unless this challenge will hold.
Yes, no block touch, unsuccessful challenge. So, semifinals ticket given to the Signal Super Spikers.
And yes, they will be in the semifinals. Just like PLDT, I think won against Farm Fresh earlier tonight.